express g of x equals negative 3x squared plus 18x minus 23 in standard form, find the coordinates of its vertex, and determine its maximum or minimum value. I'm going to rewrite g of x down here so that we can work with it more easily. And just like the previous problems, we're going to start by focusing just on the variable terms, and we're going to be factoring out the leading coefficient, which is negative 3. That leaves us with x squared minus 6x. And remember, we're going to keep the constant term out to the side, because we'll deal with that later. Now, we need to complete the square. To do that, we take negative 6 divided by 2. That gives us negative 3. And then we square it, which gives us positive 9. So we've added 9 inside the parentheses, but what we've really done is subtracted 27, because negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. So to balance this out, we're also going to have to add 27. And so this gives us negative 3 times, when we factor the perfect square trinomial, we get x minus 3 quantity squared, and then negative 23 plus 27 is positive 4. So we've got negative 3 times x minus 3 squared plus 4 for our function. That is standard form. Now for the vertex, we need to find h and k. H in this case is just 3, because that's what's being subtracted from x. K is the constant term at the end, that's 4. So our vertex is the point 3, 4. And lastly, we need to determine whether we have a minimum or maximum value and where it occurs. In this case, the leading coefficient is negative 3, so a is less than 0. That means our parabola is opening downwards, and we're going to have a maximum function value. And that maximum function value is 4, and it occurs when x equals 3. So there we go.